Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to waste your time with random chit-chat, so let's move on. Today's topic is binary search tree, insertion, and deletion. Before we dive into that, let's do a quick recap of what a binary search tree is. So, what is a binary search tree? A binary tree means each node has at most 2 children. The left child is smaller than the parent node, and the right child is bigger than the parent. I hope you guys remembered that. If not, shame on you. Just kidding. Let's move on to insertion. Look at this tree. Oops, let me say abracadabra. Boom. Now you can see the tree. Let's try to insert 39 into this tree. First, compare 39 with the root node, which is 31. 39 is bigger than 31, so we move to the right. Now compare 39 with 44. 39 is smaller than 44, so we move to the left. There's no node there, so we place 39 here. That's how insertion works. Easy, right? Now let's talk about deletion. I'm lazy, so I'm using the same tree again, but let's pretend it's for better understanding. Let's try deleting 39. It's a leaf node, so boom, just remove it. Simple. Now what about an internal node? Let's try deleting 19. Same idea, we just remove it. But here's the key point. Which node will replace it? Actually, both the in-order predecessor and successor can be used, but I picked 26 because I've got 26 vibes today. After replacing it, the tree should look like this. And that's basically it for deletion. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below.